Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's do-it-yourself game is Mario Kart. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. In this fun do-it-yourself game, you're only going to need a few items. If you have a paper plate, a ball, and some DVDs, books, or anything that you have available to use as your markers. So stay tuned and I'll demonstrate this activity in just a moment. So in this game, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my paper plate, and I have a ping pong ball right here at my starting line. I marked my starting line off with a piece of tape. But what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to use this paper plate to fan the ball around all of the DVDs, around all the markers and barriers, and get it back to the starting point. Every time I complete one lap, I get 1 point for myself. My goal is to see how many laps I can get in 1 minute. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, here we go. So I have my starting marker here. Again, I'm gonna have to navigate this ball by fanning it with my plate all the way around and come back to my starting point. Every time I do that, I get 1 point for each lap, okay? Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Reminder, you cannot touch it with the plate. So you gotta figure out the best strategy with the ball going. All right, getting close to my first lap. There we go, got one lap. Two laps. Oh, 2 laps. And time's up. I got 2 laps on that 1 minute try. 2 points. All right, Jordan's up in 3, 2, 1, go. Get a little power boost. Strategy. He's going one-handed, he's going two-handed. Just trying to figure out the best way to get it across. Coming up on a full lap. And we already got 1 point, just across the line. Ooh, that's over, nice. Get back to play. Go. Points. And all right, here we go. Round number 2, I have more obstacles. I have some barriers now here And then I have a crossway one over here, starting on this side. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Bounce, come back in. 1. 2. 3. 4. And that is time. I got 4 laps completed. 3, 2, 1, go. Good strategy, switching hands. Oh, nice. 1. 2. 3. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Mario Kart. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know, what would you guys think about the activity, what items you used, and what would you like to see on the channel. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.